Good morning from Toyota. Well, today we have a Sienta. This is a 2016 model 1.5 liter engine, otherwise known as 1496 milliliters or 1496 cc. So I want to take you through the features of this car, take you through the identity on the different locations. So to begin with, it has a very good electric tailgate. It has electric rear doors. They're automatically controlled from the front panel. Very good leg room with some storage for the compartment of the cup holders. And we also have the rear seats. It's a 7-seater. It's very spacious, which otherwise can be used as a boot compartment when you don't have to use it as a seating capacity. So coming to the dashboard area, you have a multifunctional power steering. We have the electric doors knob. Here you open and close them. It is a keyless start. I can say it's a very good conventional dashboard with 2 SRS airbags. And one of the features we'd like Toyota to upgrade is the seats. At least they should be electric. So taking you to the chassis number, we have it just below the driver's seat. And let me show you. There in the cover, there you have it. And it has a very good music system with dual speakers on both doors, both front doors, and a clothline finish on this beige interior. So let me take you to the hood and show you the location of the engine number. Not failing to mention the really cool alloy rims, well balanced Bridgestone tires, 16 inches alloy rims. We have headlights. It's the xenon headlights. These are called xenon headlights. These are enhanced from the halogen headlights, are really cool fog lights. And so the chassis, the engine number is located on the left hand side of the engine. This is a VVTi engine, and it's a 2NR engine. So okay, there you have it. You can be able to see the engine number. Yeah, so let me show you the other identification key aspect, which is the VIN plate, the vehicle identification number, which is located on the left hand side door pillar. It is a very nice model, so it's easily accessible. It contains all the information, and there you have it. Stay tuned in for more 2016, 2018, and even 2019 models.